So here's the product once again. It's made by Wolfbox. It's a rear view digital camera. Gonna unbox it. Try to do this with one hand while holding the camera. Okay, let's that. Okay. The packaging is nice. Alright. Let's see this. Have it upside down. Okay. Alright, here's the actual mirror. Let's pull this out temporarily. As you can see, right, this would attach like right there over the original one. Okay, and of course this is the front facing camera, and it will have, let's see, let's pull this out. These are all the other components. It includes a GPS adapter, the various plugs, and this would be the camera that would go on the outside of the vehicle on the rear to allow you to see what's in the rear. Alright, just want to do this unboxing before I set it up for you guys. Alright, hope you enjoyed. See you in a little bit.